Hello everyone, this is FuryEV, back with a new video. So today I'm replacing my floor mats that came with my truck, which I have foundation series. These are the ones that come with it. They're good mats, but I just find them very heavy and they're kind of a pain in the butt to pull out, and nothing wrong with them. But I just got these BestEvMod ones that are made of TPE, the 3D scanned, and all I like has a little cushion in my thing, and I'm going to demonstrate. These things are light, easy to pull out and clean, and these are a great option for people that got the non-foundation. As you can see, like with this one, I say heavy. This one is crazy heavy. I mean, you can see it just flops, and I mean that might be somebody's thing, but for me, I like easy to clean and easy to pull out. So I'm going to replace these with these TPE 3D scan ones from BestEvMod. They're pretty cheap. They're going to have a Black Friday deal, they tell me. So I'm going to install them, and then I'll be back and show you what they look like. So here we go. I got them installed. This is the passenger side. They fit perfectly. They go underneath the seat a little bit. I do have under seat storage. And as you can see, it's a perfect fit. There. I'll go around the other side. Then we're going to put, this is the back piece. We're going to stick that in next. As you can see, I have the under storage here. So I actually have to pick it up. If you have this, if you have the under storage, you can remove it, or you can just pick it up and slide it underneath there. Here's, on my driver's side. See, it's a good fit, and I like this as a little cushion here. I like them. I'm going to put my under seat storage here. These do go underneath the seat some, so you're protected there. So let me put the back piece in, and I'll be back.